So yeah, I really liked it. It was a really good class.
I was able to score really good score on the CELPIP, rather a top score. So I'm really appreciative, and I just wanted to say thank you in person.
Mostly, I did my learning from HZad Education, and I want to thank Shan for that.
So I'm thankful to HZad Education for all their love and support and their guidance in my learning journey. It felt more than just a coaching institute. It honestly felt special.
That was really, it's been a really positive experience to me, because when I went back to read the article and story again, it was, oh, wow.
And they submit my PR, and after 1 month I submit my open work permit. Everything is excellent. I would like to thank you for that, and all of your tutors.
What has been your success rate so far?
We have maintained a steady 85 to 90%, I should say. We haven't ever gone below 85%, wow. which is something that is really, it's a testament to our teachers and to the level of education that we provide.
I trusted Shayan's templates and I nailed it. I got 11 in writing. By the way, I got 10 plus in all bands, 12 and 11 one, and that 10 in the other two.